Today we are going to discuss Chapter 6, A Pact with the Sun book, The Monkey and the Crocodile. So let's start.
Once upon a time, there was a river in a jungle. On the banks of the river was a big blackberry tree. There were plenty of delicious blackberries on that tree. A monkey named Doodle used to live on that tree. He used to stay happy by eating those blackberries. In water, under the same tree, lived a crocodile. One day, on seeing the monkey eating the blackberries, the crocodile said to the monkey,
"What are you eating, my friend?"
I am eating blackberries. These are extremely tasty and delicious. Do you want to taste them?
Why not, my friend? I can't resist tasting those blackberries, especially after seeing you savoring them. Please give me some blackberries to eat.
The monkey started throwing blackberries towards the crocodile. The crocodile ate those berries.
Wow, these berries taste so good. Please share some more berries, my friend.
Here, eat them. These are enough. I am sure you don't want to eat all of these berries in one day.
All right, friend, whatever you say. But now, I will come every day.
All right.
This way, the monkey and the crocodile became good friends. Every day, the monkey used to share tasty blackberries with the crocodile, and the crocodile used to eat those berries. Both of them used to savor those tasty berries and have a good time.
Hello, my friend. How are you feeling today?
The crocodile replied smilingly.
I always feel good whenever you are around. You just share some delicious berries with me.
The crocodile then adds in a dramatic manner.
I cannot wait anymore to eat them.
Here, my friend. You also eat these tasty berries.
Wow, they taste amazing.
The crocodile was having a good time eating those berries. He used to eat those berries every day and take some berries along with him for his wife. Crocodile's wife also waited every day to savor those berries.
Take this, sweetheart. Tasty blackberries for you. You were waiting for it, right?
Crocodile's wife ate those blackberries and thought afterwards.
That monkey eats so many of these tasty blackberries every day. His heart must be so delicious. If I manage to find his heart, then it will be so wonderful. But how do I convince him to bring his friend's heart for me? He will never agree to this. I have to do something. I'm going to eat his heart one way or another. Listen, there is something I need to share. I have been meaning to say this to you since a very long time.
Tell me, dear. What is it? What are you hiding from me all this time?
I have a yearning desire to eat the heart of that monkey. I want to eat his heart. Like these blackberries, his heart must be equally delicious.
Startled on hearing his wife, the crocodile replied,
What are you saying, dear? No, this cannot happen. Get rid of this thought immediately. Doodle is my friend. I cannot even think about it.
I used to think you only loved me the most, but today I have figured that you love your friend more than me.
This is not true. You mean the world to me.
I don't want to hear anything. Listen to me carefully. I will not eat or drink anything till you bring me the heart of that monkey.
The crocodile tried his best to make his wife understand his point, but she didn't listen. Feeling helpless in front of his wife, the crocodile agreed to bring his friend's heart and played a trick. He went to meet Doodle in a despairing mood and with a sad face. Then he began to wait for his friend under the tree. The monkey arrived happily as usual and started throwing berries towards the crocodile.
What happened, my friend? Why are you so late today? What is it?
How do I explain this to you? My wife is in a very bad mood. She wants to meet you. Since you give berries for her every day, she wants you to come for lunch as a token of appreciation.
Oh, I get it. What is the need to thank me? But if she wants me to come for lunch, then I will definitely go with you.
The monkey jumped from the tree and sat on the crocodile.
I wonder how many dishes she must have cooked.
When they reached halfway, the crocodile thought to himself,
We are in the middle of the river and halfway through. Now even he cannot turn back. I should tell him everything. Being his friend, I must tell him the truth. Otherwise, he will hold a grudge against me.
the crocodile stammered a bit and said to the monkey,
Friend, if you have any death wish, then let me know. It may turn out to be your last day.
The monkey got extremely scared.
Why are you saying this? You're asking me my death wish. Am I going to die? Be honest and tell me everything what's going inside your head.
Friend, my wife wants to eat your heart. She has sworn to me that she will not eat or drink anything until she eats your heart. This is the reason I am taking you to her.
The monkey got super scared. He wanted to jump, but he didn't know how to swim. It was water all around him. Soon, an idea struck his mind. He said to the crocodile,
Why didn't you tell me before about this? I keep my heart hidden beneath the tree. Had you told me earlier, I would have carried my heart.
Is that so? No issues, friend. We can go back and get your heart.
As soon as the monkey reached the tree, he climbed and sat on the branch. Crocodile said to the monkey,
Friend, quickly grab your heart. My wife is desperately waiting for it.
The monkey replied in anger,
You stupid croc! Can anyone live without a heart? This is how you repaid my friendship. From today onwards, our friendship is over. Go away from here and never come back.
Crocodile went back sorrowfully.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना. थैंक यू.